The M indicator M.R, a combination of 4 indicators M, A, C, D, exponential moving average, linear weighted moving average, and finally R, S, I, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Also, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, an oscillator window appears at the bottom of the chart. The N, M, R is a special tool and a combination of 4 indicators R, S, I, M, A, C, D, exponential moving average, and linear weighted moving average, which uses these indicators to perform its calculations, allowing traders to identify the trend direction and trend strength in the market. When the oscillator values are above the 0 level, they are displayed in green, indicating an uptrend in the market. And when the values fall below the 0 level and are shown in red, it indicates a downtrend in the market. Traders can use the green color as a signal to enter a buy trade and the red color to enter a sell trade. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available for us. In the first input, we can set the calculation period for the MACD fast-moving average. In the second input, we can change the calculation period for the MACD slow-moving average. And in the third input, we can set the calculation period for the MACD signal line here. In the next section, we can set the calculation period for the R, S, I, the calculation period for the exponential moving average, and finally, the calculation period for the linear weighted moving average can be changed in this section and set to your desired values. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.